y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Perry. If you are new here, welcome. And today's video will be a eyebrow tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all how to do eyebrow maintenance at home. I don't know if this is y'all first time here or not, but I have been needing to do my eyebrows for so long. And so I'm finally getting around to it. And I wanted to record it so I can show y'all how to do brow maintenance from home as well. You're only gonna need 3 things, and I got these all from my local beauty supply store for less than $10. I think I spent like $7 in all. And those 3 things are a white eye pencil. This was like $1, I think. An eyebrow razor. I honestly prefer the kind that are already straight, but this is all my beauty supply store had. And you're also gonna need some tweezers, and mine just look like this. They are from the brand Kiss, and they were like $2.99. You're also gonna need a spoolie brush. I'm just gonna use the one that's attached to my eyebrow pencil. But yeah, that's literally all you're gonna need. So let's jump right. Okay, I wanted to zoom all the way in so y'all could see. Let's get started. So first, you're just going to brush your brow out and brush it in the direction that you want it to lay. I like mine fanned out like so. Once you have it brushed, you want to take the white pencil and trace out the shape that you want your eyebrow to be. And with this, since it's just a brow pencil, if you don't like the shape, you can wipe it off and start over if you need to. And I like to do both of my eyebrows at the same time, just so that they can be as even as possible. Also, just a little tip for the beginning of your eyebrow, you want it to start right here. You don't want it to be all up in here. You want it to start on the side of the bridge of your nose, so about right here. Some people go all the way to the end, myself included, at the edge of my nose, but it should definitely never be in here. The end of your brow should line up with the edge of your eye, so it should be about right here. Obviously, mine are short because my eyebrow people don't be knowing how to not wax off my tail, which is why I just decided to go ahead and do it myself. But when you look straight ahead, the arch of your brow should line up with the side of your iris, I believe it's called. So the colored part of your eye. Your arch should line up with this outer part of your iris. So about right here. So that's how you make sure that your eyebrow is symmetrical to your face. Okay, let's continue. So now we're just tracing out the shape. Okay, the end part is definitely the most important. Be really careful. Okay, so this is my desired shape. So as I said, your eyebrow should start here, end here, and your arch should be right here. So that's how I have mine. Just getting closer so y'all can see. So now I'm gonna go in with the eyebrow razor, and I'm just gonna pull my skin back and take off all of the hair that's outside of the white line. You don't wanna go inside, you just wanna stay outside. And if you can't get it with your eyebrow razor, you're gonna pull it off with the tweezer. Alright, now I'm done with the top part of the brow. I'm going to move to the bottom and make sure you stay outside of the white line. Alright, this is what it looks like for now after the top and bottom part are done. And after we wipe off the white eyeliner, then we can touch it up. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, this is what this one is looking like so far. Both of them. Now what we're gonna do is wipe off the white eyeliner and make sure that everything looks good without it. And to do that, I'm just gonna use a paper towel with some water on it. Okay, so this is what we're working with now, and I do still want to clean them up a little bit more. So I'm gonna take the eyebrow razor again and I'm gonna brush the tail hair down so I can get as close to it as possible without cutting any that I don't want. And I'm just going to make this part straight. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing with the bottom. Brush it all up, but on the bottom I'm gonna go in with my tweezers. Now I'm gonna move on to the other side. Okay, this is the finished look. Also keep in mind that this is how I like my eyebrows. You might like yours in a different way, but this is how I like mine. And also, eyebrows are sisters, not twins, even though mine are kind of like cousins. Alright, thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope that y'all learned something, and if you did, please leave a comment down below. If you try out this technique, then let me know on social media. Thank y'all so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.